Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana. I am on an extremely tight budget and usually zero based, and today I'm finally going to be doing my income taxes. Now, as you can see, yeah, everything is already filled in because I've actually did this video already. Everything was again pink, and it was actually like very grainy. I'm not really sure 100% what is going on with my camera. Pretty sure that it's user error, and it's my fault. I am not that great at like filming stuff, and I honestly don't have the time to like sit there and try to learn all this stuff. So I'm gonna just go ahead and refilm again, maybe because my camera's already dying. Hold on. So it is mid-August. I got my income taxes in June, and everything has just, it's been everywhere. It's been changing so much. Every single month it feels like there's a new challenge, so I'm like, I'm gonna stuff the money here, I'm gonna stuff the money there, and it ends up, yeah, it keeps getting changed. So I am finalizing this. I am not looking back. This is what it is, and I'm okay with that. So my income taxes, I actually got like 6,000, I think it was like 700 or something like that. I spent so much money on like food, just stocking up my house. I went ahead and made sure that my kids were good on just like basic stuff that they might have needed for the summer. I paid down some of my bills, so made extra payments, made sure everything was at zero. I basically just did whatever I could that I felt would help me in the long run, and then I can use the bulk of this money for other things like sinking funds and stuff that I was saving for. So it is a little bit late. I know that most people were getting their income taxes back in like February or March, but because unfortunately someone every single year likes to take my daughter's identity and claim her for herself, I end up getting screwed. So I have to mail my income taxes in. That's why I have a sinking fund envelope for that, because I have to pay for everything up front, then I have to mail it in, then I have to basically wait months and months until they figure stuff out. If they ask me for more information, then I definitely give them whatever they need to prove that she is my child. Which, fun fact, I found out that one of the reasons why I always have problems with Medicaid is because apparently the person who has been stealing my kid's identity is in Florida. They won't give me any information, but they keep opening Medicaid information on my kid. And so every couple of months I have to call them and be like, I don't live there, I don't know who that person is. Stop allowing people to open up Medicaid information in my kid's name. And so I'm not sure if they get food stamps. I'm pretty sure that they probably do if they're getting Medicaid. I don't know. I really don't know. But, oh, I'm losing my voice. Hold on. But it's annoying, and it's just every single year it's something that I have to deal with, and I'm so tired of it. But with all of that being said, I'm just going to let you know what I've decided to permanently set in stone, what my income taxes will be used for going forward. So most of this money is in my envelopes already. Like I said, I filmed this video already, but because it was like very grainy and it was purple and it was just weird, I've decided to just film it again, because I want to hold myself accountable. I do go back and see my journey and where I feel like I've messed up, where I've moved forward, where I've grown, like just everything. So this helps me, and if it helps you, that's pretty awesome too. So in my clear envelope, I'm just gonna start over here because yeah, it's on this side. For my clear envelope, which is what I like to call my fun binder, I'm gonna go ahead and shove some money for hair. Now back to school is coming up soon. I have been stuffing that envelope. You're gonna be seeing these videos kind of late. I try to stay consistent, so I'm filming on, I film like kind of on the same day, like my cash stuffing and my budgeting videos, just so I can be consistent with myself. But for this right here, I've actually filmed when I filmed this originally, it was like 2 weeks ago. I'm about 2 weeks behind with uploading because there's so much content, and I am trying to stay, especially this month, I'm trying to be consistent. Next month my hours are going to be going way up. Right now I'm at 23 hours a week, and so next month, I keep losing my voice, guys, I'm sorry. Next month it should be where I'm working closer to like 34 hours. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If not, then I'm praying for that second job. But things are gonna start tapering off soon. So, but right now for my fund binder, I have $20 that I'm putting toward hair. Now the hair part is going to be for haircuts for my kids back to school, which is in like 2 weeks. My son, for clothing, he's going to be getting $100, and what I do for one, I do for the other. So my daughter will be getting $100 as well. Go ahead and bring it down just slightly if I can. There we go. Alright, so for Christmas, I am going to be budgeting $100 because I need to start on that. Christmas is seriously only a couple months away, and it's going pretty quick. For Halloween, I'm going to be putting $20 in there. For vacation, I'm going to be putting, we already know it's going to be a lot, so I'm putting $2,000. That's where the bulk of this is coming from, or going to. My estimate for this vacation is going to be around $4,000 to $5,000 because of airfare, because of just everything in general, like getting to like to the park, the hotel, just everything like adds up. And so I'm hoping and praying it won't be any more than what I can afford, you know, but for right now that's my goal, is like about $4 grand. For Disney, I owe $1,700 because I've moved it every single year for the last 3 years. I've been moving this vacation, so it keeps adding up. Right now this cruise is going to be in January, hopefully, because I really don't want to be going on a cruise with an 18-year-old, you know. But this one right here, I'm going to be putting $1,000 toward it, meaning that I only have to come up with about $700, and then my cruise is completely paid off. And then anything after that is going to be airfare. It's going to be like hotel parking, getting to the hotel, getting to the airplane, food when we're on like Nassau or Castaway Cay. So I'm going to start doing that after I reach my goal of 17, which is going to be due by October. For my gold binder, which is like my everyday household things, I'm going to be putting $30 toward my credit card. This one right here is to actually reimburse me. I brought my kids out for food, and I want to stay on these credit cards. I don't want credit card debt, and I want to build my credit. So I'm trying to keep it at 0. I usually only spend the money kind of like on gas, because I always budget for gas and put the money in there. I use it on the credit card, and then I just transfer the money into the bank or to pay off the credit card. But sometimes I've been getting kind of reckless, and I've been like, okay, let's go out to eat, and because I don't have a category for that, which maybe I should, I've been using the credit card for it. So this is just to reimburse me. For my house, I'm putting $150 down. Now, I have been trying to organize everything. I did move everything back in June from Colorado to here. I cleared out an 8x10 storage unit. No, sorry, 10x15 storage unit, which basically had everything that we ever owned for the past, like, I don't even know, since like 2011. Or even before that. So I got rid of a lot of stuff, but my house has just been overwhelmed with everything that I had to bring, because I was paying $150 every month for a storage unit. Well, in Rhode Island, the storage unit is about $300. So I can't really afford that. If I couldn't afford the 150, I'm not going to be able to afford the 300. So Everything is in my house and I gotta figure that out. So $150 hopefully will get me close to figuring out what to do with everything. Buy some bookshelves, buy an extra dresser, just all that good stuff. For giving, I'm going to be putting $20 on there. Now, I've decided that for giving, I'm actually going to be attempting, I'm going to try to look into it like next month, but I want to attempt to adopt a foster child. So I was actually in foster care, and I can tell you that no one cares about you. Like, they pretend and all that good stuff, but no one cares. You're a paycheck, and they use you as income because they get money for you every single month. They get food stamps, they get basically, at least in my situation, they get everything that, like, you know, to take care of a person. And then, like, my foster parents, they had multiple foster kids, so we were all basically paychecks. Like, they didn't care about us, they didn't do anything special for us, they didn't take us anywhere really. So I want to be a blessing to a foster child this year, so I'm going to start saving for that. So that is going to be $20 for, oh sorry guys, for family. I'm actually going to be putting in a total of $620. Now, I told myself I was only going to be giving myself the $600 for the hotel because we're going to Lake George in a couple of weeks, but I've decided to actually give myself $20 because I've been trying to get my kids out of the house. So we moved here right before the pandemic, so my kids never got to really make friends, they never got to really see Rhode Island, they never got to see anything. And so I've been trying to take them places. Like, I'm going to be taking them to Food Truck Fridays, which is at Roger Williams Park Zoo. I'm going to be, you know, bringing them to some beaches. I'm going to be doing some stuff. If you've seen one of my videos, it was like to go to Spring Lake. It was actually $21 to get in, and then food. So, oh, my voice sounds so rough, guys. I'm so sorry. And I have like nothing to drink, but I am hoping and praying that I'm gonna be able to just start spending more time with them instead of keeping them in the house. So that is gonna be where that extra 20 bucks is going. For my black binder, which is what I call my responsibility binder, I'm going to be putting $100 toward my emergency fund. This one is slowly getting up there. I feel like I can never put more than $5 in there. And so, as of right now, this is where I think I need it kind of the most. But because I was at AAA, and they actually told me, they were like, you need to get on your passports or you're not going to have passports because everybody is so backed up. I've also decided to put $500 toward my my passports because we definitely need them. I did do the research. It was $620, and that's just for the passport. It's not for the passport and the what is it called, like a little passport card that you just use if you're going to like the Bahamas or, you know, somewhere where you're going out of the US and entering back into the US. I'm not really sure how it works, but I'm just getting a solid passport, just a passport. For my fur babies, I actually found a really cheap vet, so they're going to be going soon, but I'm still saving up the money because I know that they're going to need all their shots and stuff because they were up to date, but that was last year. So I'm pretty sure they're going to need something now. So my fur babies are going to be getting $20 for money down. This one right here is going to be going toward getting out of where I am living. I hate where I live. I hate it. I was hoping that like I'd be able to see more openings and, you know, apartments and stuff like that, but there seems to be nothing. So as of right now, I'm still saving for that dream house that I'm hoping to get in a couple of months. Still trying to build my credit, still trying to do whatever I can to, you know, make sure that I'm going somewhere and that I will meet my goals. So I am going to be putting $20 down for that. And then for the laptop, because again, this I wanted to get by the end of summer, especially because right now it's like back to school, but there's like no back to school deals at all right now, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be getting a new laptop until Black Friday. So I'm just putting $200 in there, and I'm just going to keep saving up and hoping that my laptop makes it. Alright, and then for my car, which I have been spending, you know, I've been trying to get my car fixed. I've been trying to do everything that I can to make it last longer, because I'm not going to be able to buy a car until next tax season. So I am going to be putting $1,000 toward my car, and this is for repairs and just to keep it running, because I need my car, guys. I'm so afraid of like losing my car. So I'm doing whatever I can for the maintenance, but I know God has got me, so I'm gonna keep saving, I'm gonna keep fixing, I'm gonna do whatever I can, and I am definitely gonna keep working on that. So with all of this being said, let me get out my calculator. Alright, so I have 20. Just gonna add all of this up, make sure I did it correctly, which I'm pretty sure I did, since again this is the second time I'm filming this. Alright guys, so I got a total of $6,000. I'm gonna get one of those little calculators that I see all the time. My phone is broken. My kid dropped it. Yep. But I have $6,000 total. So I don't know, like this is my solid budget. It's not turning back. This is what it is. So I'm moving forward with my life. I'm washing my hands of this, because it has been driving me crazy for months. Which I'm kind of glad that I waited, because originally I was only going to put like for passports like $100. And then now knowing that I'm going to have to like rush on my passports in the next couple of weeks, or I'm not getting them, this, you know, thank God I didn't do that yet, because I would have been taking this out of like the emergency fund, or you know, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close this out, but I will shake you a little bit, sorry. But I'm gonna go ahead and just say goodbye. I hope that you guys have a really good day, and I hope that, you know, you guys are staying on budget and staying on track, and I really hope that you guys subscribe and like this channel and see where my journey takes me, because I'm going a lot of places. It might be a nut house, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. They have blankets there and hugs. So yeah, I feel like I'm going crazy, but that is besides the point. I hope that you guys have a really good day, okay? Have a good day. Bye.